Looking for the best vacuum cleaner in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated cordless, upright, and robot vacuums that deliver powerful suction, long battery life, and smart cleaning features. Whether you need deep carpet cleaning, pet hair removal, or hands-free smart mapping, we compare performance, durability, and value for money. Watch till the end to find the perfect vacuum for your home this year. Number 3. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 Upright Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning machine designed to handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. Equipped with strong multi-surface suction, this corded vacuum digs deep into carpets while effectively picking up debris from bare floors. With a simple brush roll shutoff button, you can instantly switch between surfaces without changing attachments, making transitions smooth and hassle-free. One of its standout features is the lift-away functionality. The detachable pod allows you to clean stairs, ceilings, upholstery, and tight spaces effortlessly. Combined with the included upholstery tool and crevice tool, it's especially effective for pet owners dealing with stubborn pet hair. Many users praise its incredible suction power, noting that it pulls up hidden dirt even from floors that appear clean. The anti-allergen complete seal technology paired with a HEPA filter traps dust and allergens inside the vacuum, making it a great choice for allergy-sensitive households. The large 0.9 quart dust cup supports longer cleaning sessions, though some users mention it fills quickly due to the vacuum's strong suction. While the vacuum may feel slightly heavy when cleaning stairs and can be too powerful for thin rugs, its overall performance, durability, and maneuverability with swivel steering make it a fantastic value. Compact and easy to store, the Shark NV360 truly delivers professional-level results at an affordable price. Number 2. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252 is a powerful, budget-friendly solution designed specifically for pet owners. Equipped with an 8-amp motor and multi-cyclonic suction system, this corded vacuum delivers consistent, strong airflow to lift embedded dirt and stubborn pet hair from carpets and hard floors alike. Its triple-action brush roll loosens, lifts, and removes pet hair with impressive efficiency. Combined with scatter-free technology, it minimizes debris scatter on hard surfaces, perfect for tackling dry pet messes without making a bigger cleanup job. Edge-to-edge cleaning ensures dirt along baseboards and corners doesn't get left behind. One standout feature is the swivel steering, which makes maneuvering around furniture smooth and effortless. Users consistently praise how lightweight and easy it is to control. In fact, several reviewers were surprised by how much dirt and pet hair it pulled up compared to older vacuums, even filling the large-capacity dirt tank on the first pass. The dirt tank is simple to remove and empty thanks to its enclosed, one-piece design, making maintenance cleaner and more convenient. While a few users noted that the onboard accessories can fall off occasionally, overall performance and suction power far outweigh this minor drawback. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets, making this vacuum a smart and meaningful choice for pet-loving households. Number 1. The Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight yet powerful cleaning solution designed for both hard floors and carpets. Powered by Dyson's digital motor delivering up to 115 AW of suction, it uses cyclonic technology and a rotating motor bar cleaner head to deep clean while automatically detangling wrapped long hair and pet hair. This makes it especially useful for homes with pets. With up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction in standard mode and up to 5 minutes in max mode, it offers flexible performance for everyday messes or intensive spot cleaning. The two power modes allow you to balance suction strength with battery life. As some users mention, Max mode drains the battery faster, but the standard setting provides strong, consistent power for routine cleaning. The V8 Plus easily converts into a handheld vacuum, making it perfect for stairs, car interiors, upholstery, and tight spaces. Its lightweight build and slim design allow it to maneuver under low furniture and into corners effortlessly. Advanced whole machine filtration captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air back into your home. With 3 useful attachments, a wall dock for convenient storage, and a 2-year limited warranty, the Dyson V8 Plus is a versatile, user-friendly, cordless vacuum built for modern households. Thanks for watching our Best Vacuums Review 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect vacuum cleaner for a cleaner, fresher home. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest in-depth reviews and buying guides. Have a favorite vacuum or a model you'd like us to test next? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next review.